like Max just does. The creepy crawlers are a little bit, but they're not sticky, but they're softer. Send it!
Is that his tread or mine up there?
Yours.
Oh, it's up that high?
Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
I did the same thing and straightened away. Good. Whoa. I got two pump brakes again, so I thought I was going over that. Beautiful.
Oh yeah, I think you got it all done.
It's kind of hard when all you see is skies.
This is fun.
Huh?
This is fun, right?
You stopping there? Huh?
Try and get over the next log.
We wouldn't be so close. I had to go over that one right there. We got everything in my